Guardian Roofing is all about the client for life philosophy. It's not just about doing a new roof. There's a lot that's involved in caring for your roof over its life, and a lot of it starts with maintenance or repairs, and many companies don't want to do that. They simply think that all homeowners can just afford to pay for a new roof, and that's not the case. So by being proactive and doing the little things along the way, like maintenance and repairs, we can not only extend the life of your roof, but also protect that investment that you made initially. So one of the things people always ask is why is Guardian different? The big difference in us is the value we bring, the craftsmanship, and the sense of pride that our team has. And so for that reason, you can always be assured that you're getting a quality installation and everybody's putting their best effort forward for you, the client. So if you're interested in finding out more about the client for life philosophy that we have here at Guardian, please just give us a call.